students, let's try to understand one more problem. Draw a systematic diagram of household domestic wiring. Give its essential feature. So if you talk about domestic wiring, student, a systematic diagram for household electric installation is shown in figure 13.31. The main feature of RH. So here is student, three are there from the electric pole. One is the live, second one is neutral, and third one is earth, student. So you can see live is there, it is connected with the fuse, student. Electric meter, it is going to electric meter, then main switch. After that, it is going to be the distribution box contains two main switches and fuse for each circuit. Okay, wire to other part of the house, student. What is that? Is here is the bulb is there, fan is there, sockets are there, other two room. So S1 switch for the bulb, S2 switch for the fan, S3 switch of the socket. So this is the systematic diagram, student. Now let us try to read out the slide. The electric supplied from the main is the delivered to our homes using three coarse cable. One wire with the red insulation cover, it's called live wire, which brings the current. The second wire is black insulation called neutral wire, which provide the return path for the current. The third wire is the earth wire. The potential difference between the live and neutral wire is 220 volt in India, student. So this is are there. The earth wire is either thick uncovered copper wire or the copper wire with the green installation. Earth wire is the green wire. It is usually connected to a metal plate deep in the earth near the house. It is used as a safety measure which does not affect the supply in any way. So it is usually connected to a metal plate deep in the earth near to the house. It is used as a safety measure which does not affect the supply in any way. Next one. The wire from the supply line pass into the watt hour meter through a main fuse, then through a main switch. These wires enter distribution box. What is the fourth one? From the distribution box, several independent distributor circuits are drawn which go into different part of the house. The live wire of each circuit passes through a separate fuse so that the distribution short circuiting only the electricity to that part of the house is cut off and other are not affected. Now, fifth one. In any part of the house, all appliances are connected to parallel to each other across the live and neutral wire. This ensure full voltage across each appliances from the main. Each appliances is provided with the separate switch in its live wire for its operation. 6.1. Two separate circuits are used, one of 15 ampere for appliances with higher power rating and the other is 5 ampere rating for the bulb, etc. So these are the student. Live wire is red, student, neutral wire is black, and earth wire is green. So these three are there. Red wire containing what, student? The current. And neutral wire, it is connected to the it is not connected with the anything. And last one is green wire. This is the earth, student. It is connected to the earth. The difference between voltage red and black is the how much, student? 220 volt in India, student. So these things we need to see, student. We need to study for the exam purpose, student. Thank you so much for watching.